Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add a subdomain to your hostinger. First, log into your account, then on the upper bar, click on websites and it will give you the list of your domains. Then click manage on the website that you want to add a subdomain to. Next, on the left menu, click on domains. Then from the drop-down menu, click on subdomains. Now it will ask you to create the subdomain that you want. In the subdomain field, type the prefix you want. For example, if you want to have shop.yoursite.com, just type shop. In my case, I will do that. Then after that, just click on the create button. And that's it. You will see now that your subdomain is live, as you can see it at the list of current subdomains. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.